Hi, I'm Leanne Hofer with the Clutter Consultant, and I'm here today to give you a couple of tips for how to maximize your pantry when you're getting ready to sell. The first thing I would say, start meal planning. We have a lot of food in this pantry. Start meal planning out so that you don't have to pay to move all of that heavy food, and then you have to worry about how does it fit in the next home. So start meal planning out of here as soon as you start thinking about getting ready to sell. The next thing, check your pantry for spices. Spices have expiration dates on them. This one expired in 2014. So this would be something that could be thrown away versus taking it with you, and now you have more things to have to worry about on the other side. The typical place for spices to be labeled for expiration is on the side of the label or on the bottom, which can be a challenge to read. Sometimes a magnifying glass helps really well to be able to see that a little bit better. Another tip is to make sure when you're getting ready to sell your home that the floor of the pantry is clear. In this particular home, they have a lot of drinks being stored on the floor. When you have a clear floor, it makes the pantry look bigger and buyers want space to put their stuff. My name is Leanne Hofer. I'm with the Clutter Consultant. My phone number is 704-964-2428. Again, 704-964-2428. And you can find me at theclutterconsultant.com, and I'm on Facebook at The Clutter Consultant. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you soon.